Yeah, what's up, my friends? Oh, so let me say hi to you first before anything. You know, I'm just here, just wanna make a kind of video for you guys. You understand? Hello guys, hello guys. This is your man, your main man. It's Kombe man. So let's dive into the topic that I wanna share with you today about the reason why a lot of traders are losing or why they do lose in this forex market. You know, many of our traders are not supposed to be losing, but a lot of you guys will just freak out of the market and you don't even know that this market you freak out is not actually going against you. It was only meant to go make a correction and come back. Okay, so the first advice I'm gonna give you guys based on this type of situation is that always expect that this type of market reversal will always happen. So when you know this in your mind, then you know the size of your account. You want to know your account balance. So when you know your account balance, you understand every other thing is okay. Every other thing will work fine and perfect. When you know that, okay, you are supposed to take a small lot size, not just a big lot. Even a small lot will give you the money. Okay, but before I talk too much, let's go into my chat, my screen, because I wanna start with you guys by building a chart. You understand? I don't want to do anything that looks like I want to tell you how to trade for now, but before I do that, I'm gonna show you how to build a perfect chart, a chart that really talks to you. Okay, not a chart you sit in front of it and you guessing. Okay, but a chart that really will be talking to you, a chart that will call your attention when any setup has happened. Now let's dive into my screen. Okay, oh sorry, I know many of you want to see my face, but no problem, let's dive into my screen. Great. So can you tell me, how do you want your chart to look like? Because this is the first question I'm gonna ask you. When you take a look at my chart the way it is right in front of you, you will realize that this chart is doing nothing, but this chart is talking to me, communicating with me. Okay, this chart is giving me a kind of confidence that this market is actually going along my direction. All right, now before I move further, man, I wanna show you something. That how will you want your chart to look like? Will your chart look like what you see right in front of me, or you want your chart to be a kind of let me say, for example, maybe your chart looks something like this one? Do you want your chart to look like this, or would you just like your chart to actually look like the first thing you saw on this screen, which is looking exactly like sorry, trying to zoom back, to look exactly like this? Which one is passing you a real good message? You will realize that this one that is well zoomed is going to pass you a good message. This is how your chart should look like. When you zoom it, you can see the wave in the market. You focus your attention on the big what will I say, the big picture of the market. Okay, not on one candlestick, not on 5 candlestick, not looking at a double bottom somewhere around few candlesticks and you feel like you will not be scared away by the wave of the market. You understand? Now let me go and start building up a chart from scratch with you, because we're gonna dive in and this is a video that I would not like it to be long, all right, but we have to build a chart that will be talking to you, and I will tell you everything that I use and everything you will need in order to do this. Now let me pick a pair, just a simple pair, because just let's say example the UJ, we pick an empty chart, the UJ. Let it load. Sometimes it takes time, sometimes it takes some little time. Okay, so this is the chart of a UJ. All right, this is just a kind of simple UJ chart. Now by looking at this one, you just see something that looks like a zigzag, like UJ is going up or going down. We don't even know, but let us build a chart that talks to us. Now I'm gonna go grab a template. Okay, I'm gonna go grab a template. Oh, okay, sorry, let me do something for you first. Let me create it. We're gonna remove the grid. This grid, they are so important, but you know, maybe we don't want it. I want to remove it to see clearly what I'm doing. All right, I take the grid away. Now after I've done this, okay, oh sorry, this chart is talking to me. Okay, now after I've done this, I want to go grab a kind of simple Eken Ishi. I know most of you guys use this thing, Eken Ishi. Okay, I don't use it, but for the sake of this video, let me get you Eken Ishi so that you will understand it very well, what I'm about to do in this video. We go to commons and allow DDL import. Most of you guys do complain your chart is freezing or lagging, because when you guys install indicator, you don't even put this allow DDL import or modification of signal. Always take note of this when you are installing anything. If you don't, it could be lagging. All right, so everything is done about Eken Ishi. We have a clear, good Eken Ishi on our chart. Okay, man, it's okay, manageable. I don't use this type of things, but at least for the sake of this video, still manageable. Okay, now we want to do some things here. I think the next thing is that this chart is looking like this. Okay, so we cannot base any I cannot identify what is going on here. Okay, everything I know is that this thing has created a big bottom here and the kind of low ones here, so I think it's going up. That's everything I can say with my naked eye. But now I need something that will prove to me for real that yeah, what I'm thinking is exactly what this chart wanna do. All right, now let me go grab one thing. This thing is just a kind of indicator. It's a simple arrow. You understand? It indicates. It's a kind of, I'm sorry, it's a kind of volatility. When there is volatility in the market, you know, this arrow, oh my god, I got problem here. This arrow is gonna let me know that there is volatility in those pair I have on my chart. So whichever have volatility, I enter based on the direction that the trend is going. And most of this volatility by this arrow do come by, let's say, after a retracement. Okay, after a retracement, we're gonna set two of this. Two. Okay, this is it. This is the volatility arrow. Now don't forget this one, and don't forget this one too. Now we have to go to input. Anytime you want to set any indicator, try to go to input and set everything based on what you're using on your chart. Let's say this first one, we want to make it a very big MA. This fast MA or slow MA, we're gonna make it a big one. Okay, 1000 SMA. Don't touch any other thing here, just change this to 1000, and you will see what we're doing. You scroll down, down. Okay, show these MA lines true, set it to true, show MA lines true, and then what again? Alert on current true, to give you a sound of whatever is happening. Okay, you want to hear those sounds, set it to true. Okay, we don't want emails, we don't want anything. All right, so we apply this. This is the first one we apply, 1000. You will see how it appears now. Boom. Here we go, man. Tell me what is going on now. When this 1000 rope is down, you can see this one oscillating and creating a long bottom here and a very high bottom here. What does it tell you now? That we're going up. All right, but let's wait, man, let's wait. You need a chart that is talking to you. Okay, you don't want to sit around and begin to guess. Okay, you should remember we have a kind of arrow here that is a 1000. When this small one is gonna cross this big one, that arrow will talk to you that a cross is about to happen, so you know what you want to do. All right, great. Now let's go create the second one also. We're gonna go grab that same arrow again. You see how we go. We're gonna grab it under indicators. Yep, indicators. Here we go. Pumping up to make profit, to make money in Forex. So you know why people make money and why some people lose. All right, so let's go to custom indicator, man. This is where you see it. Okay, you want to make that money. You know why even the market is going, you enter a market at a very wrong direction, but you will be sure that yes, in the long run this market is going to your direction. This is why you have patience. Patience is not by ordinary eyes, but patience is by what is exactly you are seeing. All your indicator is telling you. Now let's grab that same arrow again. Okay, you see what we're gonna do now? We're gonna create a small one. The fast MA we don't touch. The slow MA now we're gonna make this one 200. Okay, and then we're gonna touch this fast one. We're gonna make it 50 because we don't want too much noise. 50, a 50 crossing 200, oscillating and crossing 1000. Do you see what I'm saying? When that 50 cross that 200, you go and sense that the trend is about to change, and there is no doubt about it. That trend will go and change. This is why sometimes when I enter the market and it goes against me, this is why I have patience. All right. My chart is built on the basis of patience. You will be listening to some ringing tones in this chat, in this video. This is my platform, my chart talking to me, telling me that a kind of volatility is happening. Okay, so but for the sake of this video, let us continue. Now we want to go and do something here also. Show MA lines. Yes, we want it to show the MA lines. All right, it's gonna show it. If you don't show it, to me as a long-term trader, you know, I've been trading for 11 years now, right? Even if I don't have MA lines on my chart, I know what is going on. Okay, just looking at the waves of that moves, I know what is gonna happen. So we want alert on current. All right, okay, great, alert on current. So every other thing is okay. We don't want any emails. Everything is cool. Allow DDL import and modification of these signals. All right, great. Now what do we want to do again? We accept it. Boom, you will see what happened now. Boom shaka boom. See, this is it. Okay, I'm not happy with it the way it looks like. Okay, I'm not happy with it the way it looks like. I want to go make it like 500. Okay, I click it and I go back to input and I make it 500. Okay, so 50 against 500 is what I'm talking about here. Do you see this? You will see what happened now. This is 500. All right, this is 500. This is 1000. This is 500. Okay, now this is a universal moving average. 1500 and then 50, a universal one. Now for a very strong confirmation, we go and make one moving average for ourselves. You see the difference between you invest in yourself and the difference between you using what is exactly on your screen, same the way your broker gave it to you. This is why you are losing, because your broker's chart has been built to make you lose. This is the reality of the truth, and this is why you continue to lose if you continue to use your broker's chart. If you don't customize your own chart to use some things that some people have built, okay, you wonder sometimes why you continue to lose, even you go and correct your mistake and you came back, you still lose. Something is happening, bro. Look at confirmation 1000, which we went to build for ourselves. All right, over there, what is the difference between this 1000 and this 1000? No difference, but look at the positioning. If you go to your smaller time frame or you go to your bigger time frame, you will see this white 1000. It looks hazard. You cannot even enjoy trading with it. This one is universal, but we still need that white one for a very strong confirmation. Now our chart is getting ready. You see the arrows. As this trend is down, this is a strong confirmation that it is down. This arrow will be calling your attention, and you will enter your down trade without guessing or without thinking twice. Okay, anywhere you want to eat your profit, you eat your profit. You can look to the left and target the last bottom that the market set, and you get out, or you can follow it to the end. This is the end of it. Great, we have built a great chart. Now you're trading along the trend, but how do you know that that trend has ended? How do you know that this thing here is the end of this long trend move? Do you see this? You will never know, because you will still come here, you will still go and sell, you will sell and sell until you sell into losses. This is why some people follow the trend blindly, and what they have made for following they will lose it along this path. They will lose it. We don't follow trend blindly. You must be ready with everything on your chart. You must be ready. Now, how do you know that this is the end of this trend? Now let us go into a kind of support resistance. Okay, a support resistance. Okay, this is where it's getting interesting. Support resistance. Great. Let's go apply our support and resistance, so you will know exactly why do some traders know that the trend is finished, and why some traders will still be there playing. When you get this support resistance tool, you see, allow DDL import, allow modification of signals. There you go to input. You want to set this 5 to 40 a 40 days, a 40 days analysis, and you want to see it properly. You double click to make these lines big so you can see your support resistance properly. Double click to make it big. And you know one thing I want to tell you, this support resistance, now you can see. Do you see exactly why the price will bounce on this, even coming from a long trend, bounce on this and start reversing? Okay, it reverse. It has to go back. It is universal. It is general. Okay, it is general. This is a 40-day support resistance. Okay, starting from the top of this trend, where this trend started, and this trend come bounce on it, bounce back, and now want to go to the top. Some of you guys want to set your support resistance. You say, no, I'm a short-term trader. You are setting support resistance of 2 days. That's why you lose, because you don't know the market trend. You lose setting support resistance of 2 days, and a big wave will happen in the market due to daily chart wanna rise. Daily chart wanna set a new high candle, and your 2-day support resistance now fail. You see this? You look at the bigger picture of the market trend. This is what my chart is based on. A chart that talks to me. Okay, a chart that talks to me. Now, what do you now think about this? Go every time frame, you will see support resistance, this price bounce on it. Let's go to 4 hour. Do you see 4 hour where this started? This downtrend started from here, jump here, and now it's going back here. It's going back here. That is why you need to understand one mathematics in this market, that price goes up and down. It will go up, it will go down. Okay, it will go up, it will go down. A price that goes up, it will come down. When you look at CCI has gone below 0, it will still go above 0, it will still go below 0. Look, if you go and look at 1 minute chart, I don't use CCI, I don't use anything, but the best CCI I understand is the 1 minute time frame. Zoom it to the lowest zoom and look at it. 1 minute time frame is your best CCI. If you want to make profit, if you want to make money with the 5-minute chart, or the 15-minute chart, or the 30-minute chart, 1 minute chart is your best CCI. That is the best CCI. But some people will look at that 1 minute chart and you will say, oh, that's a bullshit one, that doesn't give you money. Who told you? But the activities you see on this screen, this zigzag you see, they are the activities of 1 minute chart. Okay, they can blow your account away within a twinkle of an eye. But when you got a chart like this that talks to you, tell me if you will not trade and be confident of what you are trading. Okay, tell me, will you not be confident of what you are trading? Okay, you don't need to be crying in front of your screen, like you crying, like you make profit yesterday, you lose it today. No, because you got these things that will be calling your attention. Even while you are sleeping, you will hear this arrow. As I've done it, if you do it same way that I did, this arrow will be sounding alarm into your ear. Bang! It will call you that your setup is done, and you will wake up. You go and put your entry. Look, to make 1,000 a day is very easy in Forex. When you know this trend, and now this arrow call your attention. Look, before this arrow ever came out, this one has been calling you that a pivot have been formed and market will continue to the trend, and this one to the trend direction of volatility came up, and here we have volatility. Boom, bam, boom, 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 till we get here. Look, if you are the type of trader who trade 50 lot size, when you put your stop loss above here and you get down here, you get a $4,000 profit. Yes, it's true. I've done it. Go and watch that video in my library. You will see it. It's proven. These are the things that give you that money. When your chart is built based on generating the money, then you will make money. But when your chart is built in a way that is confusing you, then you don't make money. Confusion is what you don't need, and you need something that alerts you right ahead of time that yes, volatility is going to happen. This is it. Okay, so I think this video, I don't really want to make it so long, but I think we have built a chart. Okay, when I'm shooting this video out, I will put all the tools that we use for this video. I will put it under the description of the video, so any of you who want it, get it. Everything is cool, everything is fine. I think there's nothing. Okay, and there's one other thing that I would like to add to you. If you are that type of people who draw a trend line, because I know some people will always draw this type of trend line. They will do this thing like this, you see. They will do this type of, I remember those days I was a new trader. I used to do this one. You will draw this trend line and you will sit down there, you'll be watching it, and you know, nothing will happen. Let me tell you one thing now. If I put this trend line now on this chart, then I went here to this indicator, I now bring this trend line break, I put it on this chart, trend line break. You will see what happens now. A trend line break. This one will sound a big alarm into your ear. Boom. See, you see what is happening here? You see what is happening here? This is telling you that price is about to break that your trend line, and price is about to change direction. So if you enter a position, see where it's making noise, that price is touching this trend line. So if you put your entry here and this trend line is down below like this, and maybe you say, okay, I want to trade this trend line, I use this trend line to guide my sheet, and then now price started moving, gave you profit up to this place. Okay, this price touching this support resistance will make a noise. Okay, by the time you get all this tool and you build your own chart like this, you will be hearing these things. It will make noise. and then this, let's say you don't have all these things, but this price now got here, boom, 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 and start touching this trend line. You see how many arrows you are seeing here? That is how this chart will begin to make noise based on this arrow. If there's 20 arrows here, it will make 20 noise 20 times. So you will wake up even if you are sleeping, because you will understand that, oh, that price is trying to take your profit away. You see this? Great. Let us remove that trend line. When you get all these details, you can build your own chart and put that trend line sheet. You see those arrows disappeared? You see how they vanish? To show you that if you want to make money in Forex, you need to be ready. You don't need to come into the Forex like a blind or layman with no tools on your hand and you feel you want to make money. To make money in Forex is possible, 100%. Go and watch my video. Very possible. But depends on the kind of tools you have on your hand. Some people, they will tell you to invest in the tool. You will never want to do that. So if you don't invest in the tool, then what? How will you make money? You will invest in losses. That is why I see a lot of people grind that, man, they are losing. But when you ask how much did you invest in tool, they never tell you nothing. So I think this is the end of this video, and this is the end of this video. I hope you guys will enjoy having this type of chat. I will drop everything, every description under this video, so if you guys need it, you can get it. I think it's time to, even while I was talking to you, something has already made a lot of orders for me, penned orders for me, you know. So I don't even need to worry about I want to open order, I want to pen orders, but you know, something has done everything for me. Alright, so this is how ready I am. When you talk of Forex, I'm ready 100%. So now, good luck, have a nice trading shit, and I know that this thing will make a good profit for you. Thank you so much, and see you in my library. Bye bye.